Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. I am Kinjal Sunchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel Case StudyZone. This is the 5th tutorial of Probability, chapter 15th of standard 9th. In last session, we discussed about example 3 and in this session, we will discuss about example 4. So, don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, example 4 from your textbook and obviously homework. So starting with the first, its formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. And we will use at every place, right? So go to the next. Its homework answer. First, the dice is thrown 2000 times with the frequencies, means total outcomes 2000 and frequencies means possible outcomes. For the outcomes 1 to 6 as given in the following table. So outcomes for 1 to 6 and frequencies are 190, 175, 1000, 57, 149, 250 and obviously 179. So there are 6 sides which are thrown 2000 times. So total outcomes 2000 and possible outcomes are given in table. So I have written directly probability. So probability for 1 equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 190 divided by 2000. 19 tens are 190 and 200 tens are 2000. So 10 cut and 19 divided by 200 equals to 0.095. Second, probability for 2 equals to 175 divided by 2000 equals to 5 into 35 divided by 5 into 400. So 5 cut, 35 divided by 400. So answer is 0.0875. Now third, probability for 3 equals to 1057 divided by 2000 equals to 0.5285. Next, fourth, probability for 4 equals to 149 divided by 2000 equals to 0.0745. Fifth, probability for 5 equals to 250 divided by 2000 equals to 5 into 5 into 10 means 5 5s are 25. Divide by 4 into 10 means 40 and 5 into 10 means 50. So 5 and 10 cut. So 5 divided by 40. So 1 upon 8 because of 5 8s are 40 equals to 0.125. Right? Now last, probability for 6 equals to 179 divided by 2000 equals to 0.0895. If you have any question about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Go to the next. It's example 4. On one page of a telephone, there were 200 telephone numbers, right? 200 telephone numbers means total outcomes 200. And the frequency distribution of their unit place digit. So digits are 0 to 9 and frequencies means, yes, possible outcome. And frequencies are 22, 26, 22, 22, 20, 10, 14, 28, 16 and 20. Without looking at the page, the pencil is placed on one of these numbers. The number is chosen at random. What is the probability that the digit in its unit place is 6? Means you should choose only digit place and their frequency, right? So frequency means possible outcome and here possible outcome is, see, it's 14 because you should choose digit place 6. Got? So here the possible outcome at place of 6 equals to 14 and total outcomes equals to 200. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 14 divided by 200. 2 7s are 14 and 200s are 200. So 7 divided by 100 because 2 cut. So answer is 0.07. Good. If you have any question about it, then you can ask me in comment section. It's homework time. And in homework 1, page of the telephone, there were 200 telephone numbers. The frequency distribution of their unit place digits are 0 to 9 and frequency 26, 22, 26, 24, 20, 10, 14, 28, 16 and 20. Without looking at the page, the pencil is placed on one of these numbers. The number is chosen at random. What is the probability that the digit in its unit place is 4? Now you should choose unit place 4 and with their frequency. Got it? So best of luck guys for the homework. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Bye-bye.